Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First I will draw a big U shape upside down like this. Then I will go draw like this and I'll come down, again I will go towards right and then I will join this one. Okay. Now after this again I will draw one more U shape, upside down U shape like this and I will join these two lines. Okay. Now inside this again I am going to draw same shape but this will be little bit smaller. Okay. Done. Now from here I will draw one curved line like this and here I am going to draw eyes. It's a very simple eyes and it will look very cute. You have to leave for white space for highlight like this. This way you have to do. Okay. So our eyes are ready. Eyebrows and lips. Small lips. Now I am going to draw heart here. Okay. Now from here, one curved line like this. One more. And from here, just draw down and from here. This and like this. Top, I'm going to draw this two line like this. Okay, our drawing is ready. Now let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can write in the comment section what to draw for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.